ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ನೀನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇವಾಗ, ಡ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫೀಲ್. ಸೊ Mr. Sudanwa is back. So how was the exam, Mr. Sudanwa?
I mean, I wrote all the given there.
Please write, tell your writing experience.
So what happened was,
ಗುರುಜಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಗುರುಜಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ್ತಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ 7 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಸುಳ್ಮ 4 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನಂತಂದ ಕೇಕೆ ನನಗೀಗ ನಾನು ನಿಂತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಕೇಕೆ ಏನು ನೀವು 4 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದೆ.
ಬೋಲ್ಸನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದೆ 3 ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
2% ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು
ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ದು
LMTD ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಒಂದು
ಅಲ್ಲೋ LMTD ಅದ್ಯಾವುದೋ ಬೇರೆದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 2 ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದ ಎದೇಳೋ ಪಾಪ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಲೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋದು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ರೋ, ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಮತ್ತೇನು
ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೋಡಿ ವಿನೀತ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಐಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಗಾಂಧ ಕಾರ್ಡ್.
So, hi Mr. Surya BS here. So, I have decided to, I wrote the internals for heat transfer today, but I'm very...
We are also fail in this exam. That is purely 100%.
So, Sudanwa, how is it feeling? How is idli?
I mean, I'm not yet taking it.
Idli
This is
is
special
What is
sambar.
the price of idli?
This is special sambar.
What is the price of idli?
30 rupees for 2 idli. They have hiked the price because of gas. But yeah.
So guys, even if we fail, we shouldn't stop the swag.
Don't try to don't
Wire is showing is bad, man.
So
Don't try to-
today we have
that.
today ಯಾಕೋ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ತರಿಸ್ತ್ಯಾ, ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರೋ. So Mr. Vinith is also here.
by skipping exam.
Hey, road bro.
Hey, he wrote, man. No, ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಇವ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ.
I'm starting convince and I wrote all given. Question paper I wrote. You know, for force velocity and
Velocity, wow.
what is that velocity?
Convection.
What I wrote, no?
Force or convection is
Force and convection is force. ಹಂಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ force convection is like the force.
ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ದು, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಲ್ಕ್, ಫ್ರೀ ಕನ್ವೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ಆ ಥರ ಏನೋ ಬರ್ದು.
free convection surface ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
Free convection is surface.
ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿನಿ.
ನಾನು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವೆಕ್ಷನ್.
Force convection is a bulk and applies from force. Free convection is a example from energy. Force convection ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಗೀಚಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Do one favor to me, Vinod.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಸಹಾಯ ಬೇಕಂತ.
ಏನ್ ಸಹಾಯ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಕಾಯೋ.
ಕಾಂಡ್ ಗುರುಜಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಸಾಗು ಸಾಂಬಾರ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ,
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್.
We have to study for waste management. Hey, what is the name of the subject?
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Integrated Smart City and Waste Management.
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ.
Integrated.
ಲೈಕ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಅವಾಗ.
So Mr. Vinay is here. Busy ordering things. ಅಣ್ಣ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಸಾಂಬಾರು?
ಸಾಂಬಾರು
ಅಣ್ಣ, ಒಂದು ಬೌಲ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್. So because of Mr. Sudanwa, me and Vinod had to come to the place where they serve canned food and take one bowl sambar.
ಬೆಟರ್ ದನ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಫುಡ್.
Obviously, man, you are paying over here. You are not in hostel. The fees ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ?
80,000.
80,000. ಬಾಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ರಫ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಸ್ಟಫ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೀನು ಸಿಗ್ತೀಯಾ, ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವನ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ ಒಂದು ಬೌಲ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್.
ದೀಪ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೋಸೆ.
ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇದು ಇದೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗಾಡಿ ಥರ, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು.
ಹಾಟ್ಸ್ಪಾಟ್
ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಐತೆ.
BSNL
ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಐತೆ.
ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈನ ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ನಂದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ
ನಿಮ್ದು ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಚಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್
ಶಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ನಮ್ಮ 4 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿ
ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬೌಲ್ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ನಮಗೂ ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸರಿ 4 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು
ಅಣ್ಣ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 2 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ 4 ಮಾಡಲ್
ರಿಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ 30 ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ
ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾನೇ BSNL ಸಿಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೇ
ನಾನೇ ಒಡೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಒಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಡೆ ಕೇಳೋದು
ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು
ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ? ವಿನಯ್ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದೆ. ಇದು ವಿನಯ್ ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ವಿನಯ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಬರೀ ವಿನಯ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಸವರಾಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ವಿನಯ್. ನೀನು 2 ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಎದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚೇರ್ ಕೊಡೋ ನಿಂತ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ
ಗಾಂಡು ಥರ ಆಡತ್ತ ನೀನು
ಈ ದುರಂಕಾರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಣೋ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ. ಎದ್ದೇಳೋ ಬೋಳಿ ಮಗನೇ. ಆಯ್ತು, ನನಗೆ ಕೊಡು. ನೀನು ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಬರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಕೊಡೋ. ಕೂತ್ಕೋ ಹೋಗಲಿ. ನೀನು ಕೊಡು ನಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇರು.
ನೋಡಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡೋದು
ಚೇರ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಂಬೇರಿ ತಾನೆ. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದು ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಡು ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಅಂತ. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬಾಯ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
ಲಫ್ಡ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಟೈಪರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೆಲಸ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ 2 ಪೇಜ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪೂರ 2 ತೋದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 1 ಅವರ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 1 2 ಅವರ್ 3 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕು. ಸ್ಲೋ ಟೈಪರ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಗಂಡ ಥರ
ವರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್.
So my uncle has a
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲೈತು
Suzuki car named Celerio. So it had one defect. What it is, in the lower RPM, it doesn't deliver so much of power.
That's dark.
Yeah. Okay. So what happens is, it is an automatic car. So my uncle will be leaving India in next week. So what he thought was, go to service center and make it fixed before he leave. So last week he gave to he stays in Biddi. So he thought, rather than entering Bangalore and giving there, he gave it to Ramnagara Kalyani Motor. Okay. This fucking Ramnagara Kalyani Motor, what they did is,
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು
first they told,
ಆ ಕಡೆ.
uncle, clutch plate ಹೊಸೋಗಿದೆ,
ನಿನ್ ಬೇಗ
ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯೋ
replace it. And they,
ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ 15,000.
no, some 11K, 9K they quoted.
Hey, how much was your one? Clutch plate?
9 months. 2017 I think it was 5K.
Yeah, so 9K they quoted, and other defects also. All what they do, they attach new clutch plate. Now every car will have one software. Okay, that fucking clutch caliper which is been installed is not reading, and due to that, hardware got corrupted. Now a well-running car cannot be run now. It is
Not
dead.
running on.
It is dead. The software is dead. Because software is dead, gearbox won't respond. Because it is automated, completely car is mum now.
So,
It can be resolved by giving new software update. The thing, but these Ramnagar folks has no idea about it. Okay, so the thing is, from past 1 week, car is not running.
I did it.
Then how is
Garage.
Uncle transport?
Yeah, Metro,
what
Ola,
is the solution?
Ola.
solution
ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್
is unknown till now. So what? One of my cousin works in the same sector. So when he got the news, he called the advisor, talked very tremendously, and finally, I guess within 3-4 days it will get resolved. The thing is,
This is how
he quoted, when the problem occurred, he quoted 90,000 for changing the whole gearbox shit. 90,000.
Why should the gearbox be replaced when the clutch is gone?
I mean, that's the whole ecosystem, bro. when the software is not responding, you should take out the whole thing and put new one.
What the fuck? This is why old cars are better sometimes.
Manual best.
No, not like manual. I'm not telling complete manual. Automatic car.
Semi-automatic.
What is semi-automatic? IMT, intelligent manual transmission.
The thing is, no, I don't agree with him. The thing is, uncle should have given to Bangalore City Interior Service Center.
Bangalore city is like
Since it is in Ramnagara, they have not been exposed to these kind of problems. Again, it is their duty to get to have the proper knowledge in it. Okay, the thing is, it will be done, but delayed. Because of that, see, yesterday and day before yesterday,
Convenience will be spoiled.
there was program around Bangalore where we would have traveled around 200 kilometers in a car. But due to that, whole family used public transport. Because using public transport, all the work should be done 2 hours, 3 hours. All those things should happen, right? See, owning car is comfort.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್
Owning car is choosing comfort over all odds. That is not delivered. I don't know.
ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ
ಊಟಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ.
Comfort, guys.
Comfort over it. So today the second session will be waste management.
ನಾನು ನಟರಾಜ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು.
ನಾನು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಂಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಇವನಂತೂ ಠೀಕ್
ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ So guys, you might have not felt it, but I have seen very depressed people. But the most depressed person I have ever seen is Mr. Vinod.
Outside the
So, he is the person who is highly depressed.
Even his WhatsApp DP is different.
He is also quite depressed,
No.
but not to an extent of this guy. If
I
he
am
is
an ideal
born-
guy, just like between everyone.
If he is Bond, this guy. I mean, if this guy is Bond, this guy is Anna Bond, like that.
You're not switching the camera.
It's okay.
Do like this. He is Bond.
Another match barata niru.
He is Anna Bond.
Another man is coming who is more depressed than me.
Oh,
Akhil.
shut up. He doesn't show his depression in front of camera, in front of other
Doesn't mean
people.
he doesn't have depression.
He isn't showing it. He is showing is he is spreading negativity.
Akhil is telling like you give 10 crore rupees, he will suicide.
Then what is the use of 10 crores?
10 crore his post is family no.
Hey, I can give, if someone asks me 10 crores, you give half of your life. You? You? 10 crores, half your life exchange?
ನಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ.
Because your life is not worth that.
I will give half.
I will
Money is important.
And rest off I can enjoy with 10 crores, bro.
10 crores like this I will spend
As
off.
if you will do everything after 50.
That's why, man, these kind of people are the against these kind of people. I don't know.
Bond Vinita.
What man you will give?
Give man.
You give 10 crores for half your life?
50 ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹಾಫ್
10 ಕೋಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
10 ಕೋಟಿಗೆ 10
ಚಾಮಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಗು ಅಂತ.
ಕೋಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೀನು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟಿ ದುಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ದುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಕೋಟಿ?
10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
30 ವರ್ಷ 10 ಕೋಟಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ.
ಒಂದು 20.
ಲೈಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ 60 ಇಯರ್ಸ್.
ಸರಿ 30 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
25-30 years 10 crores. Mr. Vinith's life is not worth. He knows that. That's why he is not taking the offer.
ಆಫರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್
ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಲೈಫ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟು ಅಥವಾ
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ?
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದೆಯೋ ಯಾರು ಹೈ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಹಂಗಲ್ವೋ, ಇವಾಗ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಾನ ಅಂತ. ದಾನ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಡೂ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ವೈ ಡು ಐ?
ದಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ. ದಾನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಾನ.
ಇವಾಗ ಬದುಕಿರೋರ್ಗ ಅಥವಾ ಸತ್ತಿರೋರು ಈ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನಿ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದಾಗ್ಲೇನಾ
ಎನಿ ಎರಾ
ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅವರನ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್
ಇದೆல்லாம் ಸುಫಲಾಂ ಮಲಯದ ಶೀತಲ ಬಂತೆ ಮಾತರ
ಹೇಳ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ವಿನೀತ್ would have given to ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬೋಸ್
ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್
ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬೋಸ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ನಾಗ್
maybe I would have given 15 years to
ಬೋಸ್ ಶಂಕರ್ ನಾಗ್
Shankar Nag would have become Chief Minister of Karnataka by now. Don't you feel so? Which party would have? BJP.
ಒನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ
One party, yeah.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
It would have become like Vijay, Kingmaker.
ಇಲ್ಲ
Today will be the day of deciding the future of Tamil Nadu.
See guys, today
ಗುರೂಜಿ
if you have seen Yippee Noodles ad where the girl wakes up, sees rain, then bunks school. Today I woke at 5 p.m. What a wonderful made.
This
I thought my appa asked college idea. I don't
For
know.
your kind information, friend, today 5 p.m. is not at
5 a.m. Morning 5 a.m. I woke. My appa asked, "Enappa college idea?" I don't know why, but I don't know. My appa told, "Okay, malko." I slept. Then I sound sound. That is this guy's call.
Guys, I am the alarm for both these guys. They
So,
think that I am one big Kelsa.
I literally thought to bunk college today, to be honest. Then I thought like, already I bunked first internals. I bunked second internals also, they will not give me third internals.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I paid 150 rupees and I came to college.
So how does it feel after spending 150 rupees for this weekend?
I feel, fuck, I should have never slept after 5 a.m. But that climate made it happen.
Not the climate, friends, it's the weather.
It's the mindset, guys. Guys, welcome. Hi, camera. Camera guy. Hi.
So this is Adwag Nagal, also known as Gagan Gowda.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು
Mr. Akhil is back.
Yes, bro.
Hey, he's telling that you are more depressing than me. Is that true?
That's one of my characters to show in front of the people.
In front of only him, no?
Some futures should not ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತಾ the person is
ಹೀಗೆ
yes question ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ನೋಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ ಒಂದು
ವಾಪಸ್ start
ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಇವನು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ
ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಓದಿನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಅದೇ ನೋಡೋದಿನಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯಾವ ಪೇಪರ್ ಬಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ತಲೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಖರಾಬ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದೆ 20 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು
ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ
So Sudhanva talked a lot, but as soon as Mr. Dheeraj came, they stopped talking. That shows that Mr. Sudhanva respects Mr. Dheeraj
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಕಿತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ
like a girlfriend. Just like how a boyfriend stops talking when his girlfriend comes.
ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ
ಏನು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಸುಧನ್ವಾ ಬ್ರೋ
Hi bro,
how did you wrote your exam
I wrote all the question paper in the answer paper.
very good
all the question paper in answer.
Yeah.
ಸುಧನ್ವಾ
ಏ ನೀನು ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ
ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ 15 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಇದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಈಜಿ ಇತ್ತು ಕೆ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಾವು ಪೇಪರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 80 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅದು 4 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅವ್ನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು
ಪೇಪರ್
ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು?
ಈಜಿ ಇತ್ತು
KK sir. KK sir, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ KK sir ಅನುಭವ.
We used to feel that KK sir is very strict and he fail everyone. Now we are understanding that.
Quite opposite.
So okay guys, it's been 20 minutes, so we'll meet you in the
Engineering phase.
second session.
Welcome back, guys. So yeah, I just switched my cam and Surya is ready with his nice, bro. Pramana,
I guess a decent shot. Right?
yeah, it's good.
This one? Good, right?
Cool.
We'll try it on camera. The thing is, I wanted to get the World Trade Center in frame, but we don't have that kind of frame.
We'll try the portrait thing.
Yeah, that's good. I was actually thinking of going a bit back, then putting on my lens
Yeah, it could be done. So the thing is, cover this in the very, what is that grid called? In the very left part of the frame, and to cover World Trade Center in the middle or in the right part of the frame. So we get both World Trade Center, we get the traffic, we get the metro pillar. So that's the subject we are aiming for. Let's see the output too. And I asked Surya to attach the output after the shoot in the PP. So yeah, we'll get to know it.
I don't think it will come. I'm not sure. Because see, this is the kind of thing it's come. Wherever I go, come here. I come here, this won't come. This pillar comes in the middle. Big of issue.
How about this thing?
Can we go to the temple and try to
Yeah,
Can we try that?
we can do this traffic and temple easily.
That we So even that won't be possible in the camera.
So this place is cool for me.
I shouldn't have given my 35 mm. Whenever we do like things like this, we start repenting.
Let's start moon.
Then we'll start. We
So
go into the temple, we'll try something from there.
I don't think they
Outward
allow
kind of-
camera there.
In the parking lot, they allow, right?
I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll check.
We'll try. They allow, good. Pretty sure that they're not allowed.
Yeah. Watchman uncle is here only. He's checking there, no?
Uncle, camera allowed is yeah?
allowed ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾಳೆ
I guess camera is allowed, but then we are a bit too late. Don't know the time. But hey, where are we going? We need to exit this one.
You can exit that side also.
But this time our Gadi is here, no? So guys, Mr. Sudanva always wear trousers and I always wear shorts most of the time, and he starts complaining about that. So I don't think it's bad to wear shorts. Mr. Sudhana, a lot of prasada.
छे So as I told you earlier to the viewers, I feel like I'm that foreigners who come to Bangalore and do vlogs. I guess we are in front of ISKCON now, and here's the metro here, and the metro pillars.
Your voice sounds a bit like Israeli. Israeli people.
Add the background music.
No, I'm not a supporter.
Good one.
So guys, I was trying if I could get the main gopura of the temple.
Our whole gear is summed up to Hallidorge, Kadle Idorge.
We need to go on top of Kesaku to do all of these things. We'll try guys, we'll try getting onto Kesaku.
That's why I recommend you guys. I mean, I too am not into this photography. But what I think is, please don't start with any camera when you start.
Start with phone.
Start with a very good phone.
Yeah.
That's it. It could be Vivo, X series phones, Samsung, last year flagships.
Or FE.
Yeah, flagship and
Current
FE.
FE.
Or don't buy this generation OnePlus.
Yeah.
Because it is crap now. Before it was good. Now you can buy Oppo flagship too for photography.
Because it's same. OnePlus and Oppo. Same.
But Oppo is concentrating on camera and OnePlus is concentrating on gaming, which is performance. So if you're into, see, you can process your photos in laptop too. Okay.
You can process it on phone also. Phone also has a lot of good processing power these days.
See, processing requires CPU. It doesn't require so much of GPU. To have GPU for photo, you have to render it in other formats, which does not happen or you don't need.
If you're shooting in JPEG, phone is more than enough.
More than enough. Professionals who shoot in camera only will export JPEG most of the time.
But the thing is, JPEG itself doesn't have very high processing support.
Yeah.
So you can't selectively make sure that the picture's ISO is being cleaned, or maybe your exposure is
And
maintained.
in 2026, filming or photography on phone, it has become so easy and so available for us. If you're nerd enough, you have such softwares. If you wanna just click and post, you have so much of. So yeah.
I used to criticize iPhones a lot, but now
He's iPhone owner,
user.
still criticizing it, but see, he has stopped criticizing.
No, I have not completely stopped it, but I've reduced. The thing is, I've started to like a lot of simplicities provided by them, because you need to adapt. You have no other
You have
choice.
no other choice.
Ah,
Just like how we adapt our college after joining,
ah,
which we don't have any choice.
no choice. So it's been how many minutes?
It's been 8 minutes, around 9. We'll cut short at 10.
The thing is, wasn't a very successful happen.
Yeah,
I thought we could do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, one long exposure in every iconic place where we can shoot.
I mean, we have to respect our guests also sometimes.
Instead of this, if I had a 35 or 24 to 70, 1080, any other lens, we could have got better, far better. It's okay, we'll try. I'll get my P1100. We can try moon as well. In this moon also, it's not completely possible. Again, if I shoot moon on this 300 mm or 24 megapixel photo, and then you crop up to 50%. How much of moon can you cover at 600 mm? I'm not very sure about it. So 600 mm moon, you won't get very nice moon shot. The thing is, actually, we can now go and try moon on my terrace, but I'm not sure if
we should see the moon.
the moon even
It is too cloudy here.
cloudy.
Even this road is a vibe. It's a vibe.
No man, 600 mm won't be enough for moon. You need somewhere around 750-800 mm. And if you crop more than 50% of the photo, what are you getting there? A 12 megapixel photo if you post on Instagram, I mean, however Instagram compresses it to 1.2 megapixels. Not sure about the fringes, not sure about many things.
When initially Instagram was meant for posting photos,
Uncrop,
it used to, then also it used to cut short, but not so much as now.
1.2.
We need one more photographic uploading page.
No, and actually the thing is, if you start, if there is something, it gets converted into a commercial video in a very short span. So it's better for after 7 to 10 years. What will you do? That is my question. Something reinventing every 7 years to post photos. I don't think it's logical.
Okay then, keep in your G drives, show it to your loved ones, print it,
Get it framed.
make an album. If it is too good, make a frame, put it on your wall, give it to your near dear ones. That's it. These days printers are, even very high quality printers are very cheap rate. So you can try that too. In a past 10 minutes bound, we are at 12:30 now.
Hey, we need to pause it. I am not ready to give away my home address.
Guys, I will tell the address. Walkable distance from this park. This park is Nalakesari Park. Janavana at Rajadinagara first block. That's it. If you come here and shoot Surya, 4 or 5 Suryas will come. But
I personally not do.
if you come at around 7:30 here, one fat guy will come. What is this guy?
Pause.
Yeah, I will be back right back.
Kaya ano siya. So we did a very nice mistake. We actually shot a second part of the video where we tried. That's why that was my question. 37 ನಿಮಿಷ,
minutes, yes.
Just barely.
We apparently shot for 10 minutes, but
it
the
had become
output
37
was 37 minutes. We thought, okay, we could have been recorded,
Bakchot something we would have done, we thought.
but in reality, this guy has shot
The whole part of that video in
slow motion, and he had passed to me, so I too
He
didn't see.
continued.
Very nice.
That was what I thought, because it was quite dark over there. But even if it was dark, this will record some amount of light, right? It was completely dark. So yeah, it is just a
You
video.
guys lost 10
major
seconds of
part.
content, so we regret.
How
You
many?
too regret.
Yeah, regret is something which is very necessary for humans. Anyways, no problem. Tomorrow we'll try not to shoot in slow-mo.
Hope this video is not also shot in.
I hope so. Hey, no man, this is not shot in slow-mo. But who gives slow-mo in selfie? What the hell? What the?
Why reels creators shoot
Reels.
See, now world revolves around reels creators. So yeah,
Makes sense.
traditional long format,
Does not make sense.
sideline. Yep.
So such a shady video we have done. Please don't mind
Yep.
and kindly enjoy your night. Bye.
Good night. Bye.